3D layers and camera tracking. In this video, we are going over expressions. Expressions are bits of script you can add to any of your parameters that have a stopwatch. To add an expression, Alt-click on a stopwatch, type wiggle, parenthesis, enter a number, then a comma, and another number, and then end it with another parenthesis. Now, if you get an error message, that means you have typed the expression incorrectly. So once again, to add an expression, Alt-click on a stopwatch, type wiggle, parenthesis, enter a number, then a comma, and then another number and another parenthesis. If you get an error message, that means you have typed the expression incorrectly. So what that will do is add a slight wiggle movement to the parameter. Expressions are a bit of script that adds a little bit of movement to that parameter. And you can go online and look up different expressions and then copy them and just paste them directly into your parameter and experiment with it. Let's add this expression to another parameter. So let's delete this expression and add it to another parameter. So let's copy it first, then we'll delete it. We'll Alt-click on the position parameter and paste it here. And I can adjust this parameter at any time. So you can add expressions to almost any parameter that has a stopwatch. And this can be really useful if you want to add some subtle movement to an object and keep it moving throughout the entire video.